What's wrong?
You look sick.
I feel sick.
But you should feel relaxed. You just got back from a long vacation.
Hey, kids, what's going on?
He's sick. And he just got back from a long vacation.
Oh, really, Bird? Where did you go?
I was visiting my relatives in Southeast Asia.
Whoa. Whoa, wait a minute, Bird. You might have the bird flu.
The bird flu? What's that?
Avian influenza virus genus A. It's the most potentially devastating disease. Avian influenza virus genus A. It could bring the human race to its knees.
It starts off as a tickle in the back of your throat.
Next you're dead and buried. Bye-bye, that's all she wrote.
Avian influenza virus genus A. It's the most horrific death you could endure. It's contagious, and to this date, it has no cure.
Flu, flu. Fever, fever. Fatal, fatal.
I know what will make you feel better. A big hug.
No, kids, don't handle him. He's highly contagious.
You got us all wet.
Oh, no, this is bad. This is bad.
What this? Cookies? This not cookies. This chicken. Me not chicken, monster. Who me kidding? Me eat anything. Me compulsive eater. Oh, me no feel so good. Me got chills. Me cold. Me so cold.
Here comes Bob. He'll know what to do.
Kids, you gotta get the hell out of here, now.
What's going on, Bob?
You don't want to see this.
Oh, Bert? Ernie? Grover? Oh, no! Tickle me,
Did I do that?
I'm afraid so. You've spread bird flu to everyone on the block. Everyone's infected in the neighborhood. Things aren't looking good. We'll soon be dead as wood. Everyone's infected in the neighborhood. So we'll have to take our bird friend out.
Okay, everybody, back away.
Hey, that smells funny.
Who's got a lighter?
I do.
Okay, I'm sorry, my old friend.
Well, I guess that's it for me. Goodbye, kids.
Sesame Street is brought to you by the letter P for pandemic.
We're gonna get letters on that one, as if anyone who watches this show can write.